Children, today we'll start our class. Today's moral: you are the salt of the earth. Copy today's moral: you are the salt of the earth. You know about salt, children? Salt will give the taste to the food. If there is no salt, no taste. We won't eat that food. So our life also very valuable on the earth, children. Only one life is given by God. It should be like a salt. How the salt gives taste to the food. Our life also should be taste. It should be good. When it is good, it will be useful and it will be value for our life. So you are the salt of the earth. Only one life. Make it useful like a salt, children. You are very small. You are very innocent, children. All the elders will like you because you are small. Copy today's moral: you are the salt of the earth. So when you are small, you learn to do good things. You learn to talk good. You think about good things only, children. When your thoughts are good, your words, your actions, everything will be good, children. You should be useful to others, for the society. So develop that good habit from the childhood. Copy today's moral: you are the salt of the earth. Now we are learning third chapter, simple equations. In simple equations, first day I explained the definitions. Next I explained how to solve the equation by trial and error method. And in the last class I explained how to solve the equation by without transposing the terms. Now today solve the following equation by transposing the terms. Now how do we solve the equation by transposing the terms, and how do we verify whether our answer is correct or not? Before that, first you must know that in transposing method, it is third method, children. When you transpose the term positive quantity to right side, it will become negative quantity. When you transpose negative quantity to the right side, it will become positive quantity. When you transpose multiplication quantity to right hand side, it becomes division quantity. When you transpose division quantity, it becomes multiplication quantity right side. So first here I will write that points. Listen carefully, children. In transposing terms from left hand side to right hand side, positive quantity becomes negative quantity. When you transpose positive quantity to right hand side, it becomes negative quantity. When you transpose negative quantity will become positive quantity. When you transpose multiplication quantity, it becomes division quantity, children. when you transpose division quantity to right hand side, the division quantity becomes multiplication quantity. Positive quantity, once again I will read. Positive quantity, when you transpose to right hand side, it becomes negative quantity. When you transpose negative quantity from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes positive quantity. When you transpose multiplication quantity to right hand side, it becomes division quantity. When you transpose division quantity from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes multiplication quantity, children. Now we will solve the equation. Exercise 2, second bit, first problem. Exercise 2, second bit, first problem. What is given equation? Page number, it is in page number 63. First equation, 2 plus y is equal to 7. Now how do we solve? By transposing the term method, children. Listen carefully. Already you know, when you transpose positive quantity to right side, it will become negative. Negative quantity will become positive. Now here, what is on the left hand side? 2 plus y. Right hand side 7. Now which is variable in the left hand side? Y is variable. Variable y is in the left hand side, children. Variable y you have to keep in the left hand side. All the numbers you have to transpose to right hand side. Now variable y is in the left hand side. Plus 2 it is adding with variable y. Now plus 2 you transpose to right hand side. So when you transpose plus 2 to right hand side, it will become negative. It will become minus 2. So one more step I will write. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Now we are going to transpose plus 2 to right hand side. Only you have to keep the variable y in the left hand side, children. Variable y right in the left hand side is equal to, already here in the right hand side 7 is there, 7. Now when you transpose plus 2 to right hand side, it will become minus 2. Positive quantity plus 2 will become minus 2. So now what is here? Y is equal to, what is in the right hand side? 7 minus 2, 5. After transposing 2, you should not write 2 in the left hand side, children. So 2 you should write in the right hand side only, minus 2. Now your answer is 5. Y is equal to 5. Now you should do the verification also, children. How will you do the verification? Now I will do the verification. Verification. When y is equal to 5, now you check whether left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. Now when y is equal to 5, now write the equation again. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Now you substitute in the place of y 5. Remaining you write as it is 2 plus, in the place of y you should write 5. Substitute 5. Y is equal to 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus, in the place of y substitute 5 is equal to 7. Right side 7. 2 plus 5 left hand side. What is left hand side? 2 plus 5 answer. Before equal to sign, left hand side. 2 plus 5, 7. Right hand side also 7. So our answer is correct. When you substitute y, your answer 5. Left hand side value is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, children. So our answer is correct. So x is, y is equal to 5 is a root. Now we will go to next problem, children. So when you transpose positive quantity to right side, here in this equation we are transposing plus 2 to right hand side. So it becomes minus 2. Plus 2 will become minus 2. Now y is equal to 7 minus 2, y therefore y is equal to 7 minus 2, 5. Now we will go to next problem, fourth problem. Fourth problem, what is equation? See the textbook. 2t minus 5 is equal to 3. 2t minus 5 is equal to 3. Now, what is in the left hand side, children? What is in the left hand side? 2t minus 5. Right hand side, what is there? Only 3 is there. In which side variable is there? Which side? Left hand side. Which is variable? T is variable. T is unknown number. T is variable. Now here 2, number 2 is multiplying with variable t. Minus 5. Here you see it is constant term. Now here when you solve the equation, we have to transpose the numbers to right hand side. So first you have to transpose minus 5. Next to 2. Why we should transpose minus 5 first? Because it is easy to transpose first minus 5 only. Because 2 is multiplying with variable t. So you cannot transpose first 2 to right hand side. First you transpose minus 5. So first you have to transpose minus 5, next to 2. So once again I will write the equation. 2t minus 5 is equal to 3. Now here first you have to transpose minus 5 to right hand side. Minus 5, it is negative quantity. So when you transpose, it will become positive. So now 2t, only 2t you should write in the left hand side. 2t is equal to minus 5 negative quantity. When you now don't write minus 5 in the left hand side. Right side you should transpose. So minus 5 will become plus 5. Already what is there in the right hand side? 3. 3. Now minus 5 when you transpose to right side, it will become positive. So 3 plus 5. Now left hand side what is there? 2t is equal to 3 plus 5, 8. Now 2 you have to transpose to right side. Now 2 is multiplying with t, children. 2t is 2 into t, you know. Write in product form. In between 2 and t, multiplication symbol is there. 2t, 2 into t, write in product form is equal to 8. Now t variable, right here in the left hand side, t is equal to, now multiplying quantity when you transpose, 2 is multiplying, 2 into t, 2 is multiplying with variable. When you transpose, it will become division quantity. So you have to write in denominator directly. It will divide 8. So 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, write directly in the fraction form, because division fact can be written in the fraction form, children. So now t variable 2, it is multiplying, it will become division quantity. So here write directly in the denominator 8. In the right side 8 is there, 8 write in numerator by 2. Now you can cancel. 1 2 is 2. In 8 how many times? 4 times. 4 by 1. 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is 4. 4 by 1 is 4. So t is equal to 4. Now you should do the verification. Verification. Now verification. Now you have to substitute your answer t in the given equation, children. So what is your t? T is equal to 4. Now verification. When t is equal to 4, now substitute in the equation. What is the equation? 2t minus 5 is equal to 3. Write the equation again. 2t minus 5 is equal to 3. Now 2t, it is right in the product form. 2 into t, in between 2 and t, multiplication symbol is there. 2 into t minus 5 is equal to 3. 2t is 2 into t minus 5 is equal to 3. Now you substitute t is equal to 4. In the place of t, substitute 4. Remaining write as it is. 2 2 into t, in the place of t 4 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now 2 into 4 8. 8 minus 5, 2 into 4 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5, what is in the left hand side? 8 minus 5. What is the answer? 3. Right hand side, what is here? 3 is there. So left hand side is equal to right hand side value. So which is root of the equation? Therefore t, your answer is correct, children. So t is equal to 4 is the root or solution of the equation. So in this equation, once again I will repeat. First you have to transpose minus 5, because 2 it is multiplying with t variable. So first you have to transpose minus 5 to right hand side. So plus 5. Next you have to transpose 2 to right hand side. Here 2 is multiplying here. 2 into t. Write in product form. 2 is multiplying. When you transpose, here you should write in denominator, children. 8. Write in numerator. Already 8 is there in the numerator, in the right hand side. 8 write in numerator. The denominator you write 2. Now after cancelling, t is equal to 4. Now do the verification. Substitute t is equal to 4 in the given equation. Now next problem, children. Next, sixth problem. Sixth problem. What is equation? Here 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. Here bracket is there, within the bracket x plus 4. In between bracket term and 5 you are having multiplication symbol, children. Here, so one more step we'll write. We'll write in the product form 5. In between 5 and bracket you should use multiplication symbol. 5 into, what is within the bracket? X plus 4 is equal to 35. Now here 5 is outside the bracket. It is common for x and 4. So you have to multiply. Here outside the bracket, what is there? Into. 5 is common for x and 4. So multiply 5 with x and 4. First you multiply with x. 5 into x. 5 into x. Next, which sign within the bracket? Within the bracket, plus sign. Plus 5 multiply with 4 now. 5 into 4 is equal to 35. 5 into x. Now which sign here within the bracket? That you should write in between two products. So plus 5 into 4. Now 5 into x, 5x. Plus 5 4s are 20. Multiply and write, children. It is equal to 35. Now already I explained fourth problem. So here you see 5x plus 20 is equal to 35. Now how do we solve this? So first you have to keep only the variable x in the left hand side. You have to transpose plus 20 to right side and 5 to right side. First, which is easy to transpose, plus 20. Next 5. Why should we transpose 5 next time? Why should we transpose plus 20? Because it is constant term. You can transpose easy here. 5 is multiplying with variable x, so you cannot transpose first to 5. So first we have to transpose plus 20 to right side. So plus 20, when you transpose to right hand side, what is here in the left hand side? Write 5x is equal to right hand side 35. Now plus 20, when you transpose to right side, it will become negative quantity. So minus 20, it will become minus 20. Sorry, here minus 20. Minus 20. Now 5x is already you know, write in product form directly. 5x, 5 into x is equal to 35 minus 20, 15 you know. Now you have to transpose 5. 5 is multiplying here. The multiplying 5, when you transpose to right hand side, it will divide. So it will here write directly in the denominator, children. So write in the left hand side only the variable x. Write in the left hand side. Now right hand side 15. Now 5 is multiplying. When you transpose, it will divide. So write directly in the denominator and cancel. Here 1 5 is 5. Here 3 times. 5 how many times in 15? 3 times. 3 5s are 15. 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is 3. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now you should do verification. You have to check whether your answer is correct or not. So now we have to substitute in the equation, children. Now we will do the verification. What is your answer? X is equal to 3. Now you substitute x is equal to 3 in the given equation. So we will write the equation again. What is equation, children? What is equation? 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. So 5 into x, in the place of x you have to substitute 3. X is equal to 3. In the place of x substitute 3 plus 4 is equal to 35. Now 5 into bracket answer 3 plus 4 7, bracket answer right here is equal to 35. 5 7s are 35. 35 is equal to right hand side also 35. 5 7s are 35. Left hand side 35. Right hand side also 35. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to 3. Your answer is correct, children. So x is equal to 3 is a root or solution of the equation. So if bracket is there in the equation, you have to, what we should do, children, you have to write in the, you have to multiply. Here first write in the product form 5 into x plus 4. 5 into x plus 4. 5 is common for x and 4. So you have to multiply with first x, next with 4. 5 into x plus, in between two product, plus sign. 5 into 4 is equal to 35. Now you know how to solve it. First you have to transpose plus 20. Plus 20 first you transpose to right side. So it will become minus 20. Next you have to transpose 5. 5 here 5x, write in product form 5 into x is equal to 15. Now 5 is multiplying. When you transpose, it will divide. So write in denominator directly 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5, 15 by 5. Write in fraction form and